In every family, there's always that one child, the black sheep, the silent fighter, the one who refuses to quit. He wasn't born lucky. He wasn't born with silver in his mouth, but he was born with fire in his heart. While others sleep, he works. While others complain, he builds. While others look for comfort, he chooses war. Because deep down, he knows something most don't, that he is the one who will change everything. He will carry the family name on his back through the dirt, through the pain, through the failures. He doesn't cry for help. He doesn't beg for support. He stands alone if he has to, but he never folds. They may doubt him now, but they will clap later. He wasn't born to fit in. He was born to lead, to rise, and to make damn sure that one day, the whole family looks at him and says, "That's the one. That's the reason we're proud." So let them sleep. Let them doubt. He's already moving. In every family, there's always